This is a boat window opener from a local customer here. This one it work with the 12 volt 4 amp 0.6 maximum. So I set up the power supply at the 12 volt. That's the power supply wires. And what the customer said, this one, like, it's open, it's closed, but it doesn't open. So here I turn on the power supply. It doesn't work. So there is a switch you turn, like, to reverse the wires for the motor to spin clockwise or to spin counterclockwise. If I reverse the polarity, you can see it work, but if we go, it doesn't work. So the design is simple. So there is a screw rod here. When this one turning, that screw is going this way or this way. You can see it. Yeah, the system is not like stuck. It works both ways, spinning fine. I don't think there's nothing wrong with the motor, but let's check it. Yes. So here, let me turn on the power supply. So it works this way. If I reverse, it works. So nothing wrong with this one. And nothing wrong with the mechanism, the mechanical part. So let's see how is this board go. So the board is kind of very simple, very empty. There is 4 diodes, 2 resistor, 2 switch on and off, and this capacitor. So this switch is here. It just when it's open all the way, is going to push this switch to turn, so telling the motor to stop. It's not going to turn until it's completely out. So it stop at here, or when it's going this way, it stop at here. That's why this switch is for. So because we have a diodes here, we check the diodes for short. So no reading. There is a reading this way. This diode is good. No reading this way. There is a reading this way is good. No reading. There is a reading. Oh, this one is that's very low. Yeah. How many ohm? One ohm. So this diode is going to this switch here, and there is a resistor. Okay, so it will be so let me check this switch, because the diode is connected to these 2 points of the switch. So here if I Okay. Let's go to the diode mode. So open line. So should be the diode is connected to the switch. That's why it's giving us that reading. Okay, let me flip. Let's give us a reading here. Again, if I flip this way and I click to the switch, no reading. So the diode is fine. And the switch, it tested fine too, because it's So what about this switch here? So here, okay. So open now. Yeah, the switches is tested okay. Now the diodes test okay, the switch they open and close fine. Okay, let's see this resistor here. So let's check these resistors. This is look like is a brown black, so it's a 1 0, and we have gold, so maybe it's a 0.01. So this is a low ohm resistor. Anything if it tested as short is good. Yep, these two resistors are good. Yeah, here it tests like 1 or 2 ohm is good. So look like everything, the component, they look fine. And yeah, there is some corrosion here. Yeah, there is some corrosion over there, and yeah, and some parts the green mask is out. So here we have no connection to here. From here we have one part. To here is good. To here is good. This device in the boat, so a lot of moisture, salty water. So of course it's gonna be some corrosion. These traces looks bad. To here is good, 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 good. Here is good. Here is no good. Good, no good. So to here is good. So between this point and this point there is no connection. So yeah, this trace here, I'm gonna do a jumper from here to this point. I will do a jumper from this point to this point here.
From this point all the way to here. Yeah, there is a connection grid over there, but there's better way to do that. We rebuild the trace. another trace. From here. All the way.
Turn on the power supply. So turn this way and let's flip. It works both ways. So let's put it together. And the power supply. Okay, this one will work. Okay, when it reach the switch, it stopped. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.